This is our measuring ingredient for baking. And first is flour, and then brown sugar, white sugar, and then the measuring cup, measuring spoon, and then graduated measuring cup. Thanks. Is use the 1 cup of measuring cup to measure the flour. Then after this, sugar, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, then 1/3 of white sugar, then after this, use the graduated measuring cup to measure milk. One half of milk. Then put this.